News desk of NaijaNews TV. Approximately 3,690 Nigerians are among those facing deportation as President Donald Trump intensifies efforts against illegal immigration in the United States. A document from the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE), obtained by the Punch on Tuesday, details the nationalities and numbers of individuals under ICE's non-detained docket, with final removal orders. The report states that as of November 24, 2024, over 1.4 million non-citizens have been flagged for deportation. The statement titled "Non-Citizens on ICE Non-Detained Docket with Final Orders of Removal by a Country of Citizenship" shows Mexico and El Salvador leading the list with 252,044 and 203 deportees, respectively. Nigerians account for 3,690 individuals in the category. However, ICE tasked with safeguarding national security by tackling cross-border crimes and illegal immigration has ramped up deportation operations. Trump's renewed immigration policies have heightened fears among Nigerians and other African nationals illegally residing in the U.S. NaijaNews reports that hundreds of migrants were detained last Thursday and others were deported via military aircraft as part of Trump's mass deportation initiative. On his inauguration day as the 47th president, Trump signed several executive orders tightening immigration laws, including ending birthright citizenship for children of undocumented immigrants. We'll continue to monitor the story. For more news updates, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.